Hi there, my name is Sugiyama, with the office Sugiyama. Today's topic is voluntary appearance at immigration office for special visa. Let's get started. Okay, one day you decide to regularize your illegal situation for your family, for your support, and your future. Okay, let's see that flowchart step by step. First, going to immigration office. You need to go to the immigration office to declare your illegal situation. Next, investigation by investigator. You will be investigation. Next, arrest warrant. The investigator publish arrest warrant. Next, investigation by inspector. This time, it's investigation by inspector. Then, order to deportation by inspector. Order to deportation. Next, you will appeal to trial hearing against that order deportation. Then, decision by Ministry of Justice. And yes, you get special permission, humanitarian visa, or not, deportation order. You will be deported. Okay, that is a flowchart of this procedure to regularize your illegal situation. The time required for my case, it took from 6 months to 1 year and a half in my case. Okay, next. Let's see each point step by step. First, go to immigration. Number 1. First, beware on the way, avoiding police check, especially in the big station. The station big city like Tokyo, Osaka. If police stops you and he finds your illegality, the police won't let you go to the immigration office. Then you will be arrested by police. So you need to be very careful of that. So be careful on the way to the immigration office. Number 2, it's better to bring specific evidence of your case, such as marriage certificate, document of child, etc. Number 3, you go with your support, your family, or guarantor person to relate your humanitarian circumstances. Number 4, you can go without a reservation, but it depends on the immigration office. There are different hours or day of normal attention, so you can ask before you will go to the immigration office. You can ask about hour and days by telephone without mentioning your name. You can ask the time or hour about this procedure without mentioning your name. Then you can check the time on day about this procedure. Next, investigation by immigration investigator. Interrogations. You'll be interrogated like that. How is it legal? Since when? Why you didn't return to your country? Also your personal history, where you lived and your jobs until now. Also about your marriage, son, another humanitarian reason for requesting a stay in Japan. Then sometimes he interrogated you in separate rooms with your family to judge if it's true story or not. In the investigation, you cannot be accompanied by a lawyer and any kind of specialist. Next, arrest warrant. Finishing the investigation by the immigration office. Immigration office explain about the arrest warrant. Here is a link. In this website says who voluntarily appeared at the immigration office are rarely arrested. Well, this link explains who voluntarily appear at the immigration office are rarely arrested. So it says it's very rare to be arrested if you go to immigration office voluntarily. I put the link in the description space of this video, so you can check this link after that. Instead of detention, you will be in carry-home, provisional release, and get number of incidents. These are the specific documents to explain your situation for the authorities. So, if you will be stopped by the police, you can show that document to explain your situation. So this document is very important to your defense. Okay, let's see. Carry home, provisional release. What is a provisional release? Provisional release order 2. Number 1, immigration office prohibit you to work. On the other hand, the immigration office understands your situation. If you are the head of the family, working is inevitable, and they warn that there may be a risk of arrest by the police if you are working. Number 2, provisional release order 2. When you want to travel outside your city, you have to ask permission from the immigration. Number 3, you must go to the immigration office when they order. That order is generally once a month. Going to the immigration office months and months, waiting for the news until get to know decision. But bad news comes faster than good results. Next, investigation by inspector. This time the inspector interrogates you, asking according to which you described for the first time to investigate. Order of deportation. Inspector dictates deportation to you, but he will not deport you there instantly, because you are going to appeal the trial hearing. Then the inspector explains about the appeal, and you appeal right there against deportation. Well, then you have already reached 90% of the procedure. Next, oral hearing by the trial hearing officer. Number 1, the hearing will be held privately in small immigration room. 2, you can be accompanied by a lawyer and your family, like yourself. Number 3, your lawyer and your family can also give an opinion for you. Now, you just await a decision from the Ministry of Justice or Immigration. Then, finally, decision by the Ministry of Justice. Yes, special permission to stay, special visa, 1 year, renewable. Now, deportation order. Well, that's all for today. I was talking about voluntary appearance at the immigration office for special visa. From going to immigration until decision by Ministry of Justice. If you have any questions or suggestions about this video, leave them in comment space or ask my Facebook Sugiyama Provider. Thanks for watching.